We will demonstrate the technology allows you to use an NFC-enabled smartphone as a bank card for payment via POS terminal. One of the first steps for the use of NFC payments is to download the application and personal information of a cell phone owner. The application may be downloaded via mobile operator network or the internet, for example when you connect it to Wi-Fi. A bank customer logs in and selects a card product for an existing bank account. Request for cards issue goes to the bank. This works similar as application to issue a cards. If the bank makes the decision to issue card, it sends request to IBM Smart Card Management System or SMS that perform a number of steps to secure the downloading of the necessary information to the phone. Activation code is generated and delivered to the client in independent manner. After receiving the activation code, the bank customer has to enter it into the smartphone application to set the card to the phone. When done, the card is protected with a special PIN code in the phone and may be selected and used as a conventional non-contact tag. Now you may go to the store keeping all your cards in your phone. This is a convenient way to keep a number of cards, and it is important that PIN protection on the phone lets you to keep your cards more securely. You may use the phone as a RFID tag for any applications like to enter the office building, on public transport, etc.